Hey there. So, this is Suzy Woo. Nice to see you all. I wanted to pop on real quick. It has to be real quick because my battery is not very strong. And I left my adapter at home. So I just want to say real quick about voodoo. Was I supposed to do something here? That's fine. Okay. So real quick about voodoo, because I've had some clients who are all freaked out about having voodoo put on them or hexes or whatever you want to call it. Black magic, bindings, whatever you want to call it. There's lots of names for the same thing. So when somebody projects a connection to another person and then feeds their energy through that connection, there's got to be a contract. There's got to be an allowance. The person on the receiving end allows it. Now, if you never say no, then you're always in a state of allowance. So it's really important to understand your own energy. If you feel off, do an inventory of your energy. Like bring your awareness in your feet, calves, knees, legs, chest, throat, face, shoulders, arms, fingers. See how you're feeling. Notice how you feel. If you feel off, then bring in white light. Bring in whatever it is that you do for yourself. If you have a little prayer to, get yourself a way that you want to be, or some kind of a motivational thing, or what do you call those things? Affirmations. Whatever you want to do is all well and good, but do something. Don't do nothing. So before you go to bed, set your intentions. When you wake up, set your intentions. Everything is about your intentions. I had a couple of clients today who they're all worked up about voodoo. So I'm not saying that it's not real, but for what I do, it's bubblegum, it's kindergarten, it's little poofed, because that kind of stuff can't work in a light so bright. It just can't survive. So the healing modalities that I use, just think, what would Jesus do if some kind of like little negative something comes around? He's going to be like, poof, I cast thee out with my mighty nostril. Little piddle poop stuff, one person putting something on another person. To me, it's nothing. It's just like flick. But you can control your own energy with your intentions. Monitor yourself. Check yourself. Use your intentions. Notice how you feel. It's your job to be aware of your own energy. I think that's it. So I didn't have a lot of time because my battery is really low. I am going to be going home. I had an awesome day at my office today. I have reopened my office because I have a family to feed, and I'm getting a backlog of clients and a bunch of new clients, and it's awesome. And I've received some new healing I've been doing. Kuan Yin healing has been amazing. And yeah, so I guess that was just my 2 bits about voodoo. Not that I want you to know it's not nothing. It is something, but it only holds as much energy as its environment will support. So none of that stuff can live in this. And if you think somebody's, cast a spell or put some voodoo on you or something like that, do a self-inventory. And then if you want some help, give me a call or send me an email. I can remove this stuff anywhere around the planet. But it's really better to teach you how to do it yourself. which I guess there'll be some workshops on that coming soon. But right now, what I've got on deck is how to feel crystal energy. That's my workshop that you can get online. It's happening Wednesday, May 18th, I think. And if you can't make it on the live feed, you'll get a recording of the session May 13th, Wednesday, May 13th at 6 o'clock Eastern. And there is another option that if you want the crystals themselves, they come right from my office. So I will send you a set of the crystals that I'll be using in the class, and it teaches you how to feel crystal energy, how it shows up in your body. It's an awesome class, and it's not much money either. So go on my website, suzy-woo.com, to learn more about that. And don't worry about anything. You know, the whole world is slowing down so that we can figure ourselves out. Hold on a minute. Okay. We need to figure ourselves out during this time that the whole world is slowing down. So take advantage of this time and do an inventory of your energy, set your intentions. Don't worry about anything because the world's still going to be there. Okay, so you don't need to rush. This is not a time to rush into anything. Okay, there you go. There's your 2 bits for today. I might hop on later to do some live readings. Not sure. That's it for now. Thanks for joining me. And as always, I love you very, very deeply. You are amazing and wonderful and awesome. And thanks for watching. See you next time.